Hello! Welcome back to my channel. Our topic for the discussion today is all about parabola. So what is parabola? Parabola is a set of all coplanar points that are equidistant from a fixed line and a fixed point not on the fixed line. The fixed line is called the directrix of the parabola and the fixed point is called the focus. I have here an example of parabola which opening upward. The line perpendicular to the directrix and passing through the focus is called the axis of symmetry. This one, the color orange. The parabola is said to be symmetric with respect to this line. The chord that passes through the focus and perpendicular to the axis of symmetry is called the Latus, Rectum. This one, the color blue. The vertex and the endpoints of the latus rectum of the parabola are used in sketching the parabola. So, yun ang kailangan natin pag nag-graph tayo ng parabola. Vertex and focus and end of latus rectum. The point on the parabola midway between the latus rectum and the directrix is the vertex of the parabola. Ito yung pinakagitna niya. The vertex is the point where the curve changes direction. Okay? The parabola is said to be in its standard position if its vertex is at the origin and its principal axis is one of the coordinate axes. I have here an illustration of parabolas with vertex at origin. Okay? So, dalawa yan. Y squared is equal to 4px. The first condition is if p is greater than 0 or that is positive, it opens to the right. Then, if p is less than 0 or that is negative, it opens to the left. Okay? Then, the other one, x squared is equal to 4py. If p is greater than 0 or positive, it opens upward. Vice versa. If p is less than 0 or that is negative, it opens downward. So, ito lang tatandaan nyo dyan, guys, no? Yung may mga bilog. So, yan lang yung pinaka-standard form ng ating parabola if the vertex is at origin. So, yan yung mga parts niya. Kung titignan natin, guys, parang ang hirap, no? Parang complicated. Pero madali lang yan. Later, itatry natin kung paano mag-graph ng parabola. So, sabi kanina, importante lang doon is vertex, focus, and the latus rectum. Then, the directrix. Then, yun. Pwede na natin siyang i-graph. Let us find the coordinates of focus, vertex, and end of latus rectum. Find the axis of symmetry and the equation of the directrix. Draw the parabola. So, we have here 3 sample problems, no? Let us try to answer each problem. Number 1, y squared is equal to 16x. Paano nga ba ang una natin gagawin? So, kailangan alam natin kung nasa ng opening niya. Kung left ba siya, right, up, or down. So, paano ba malalaman yan? Balik tayo dito. Ayan. Ito ang number 1 palatandaan natin dyan. Ayan. Tandaan nyo yan. Kapag y ang naka-squared, ang opening lang natin dyan, it's either left or right. Paano nga ba natin malalaman kung left or right? Kapag, kapag positive daw, si P, that is right. Kapag positive. Kapag negative, that is left. The same as this. So, kapag upward, that is positive. Kapag downward, that is negative. Ito lang yung susundan natin. Tignan muna natin. Saan ba ang opening ng parabola natin? Paano nga ulit malalaman? Tignan nyo. Ano ba ang naka-squared? X squared or Y squared? Ayan. So, Y squared. Y yung naka-squared sa atin, no? Tignan natin. So, Y squared. So, dalawa na lang ang pamimilian nyo. It's either opening to the left or opening to the right. Okay? So, paano malalaman kung to the left or to the right? Titignan lang natin ito. Ito yung pinaka-P natin eh. Pinaka-4P, no? So, is it positive or negative? Very good, positive. So, tignan natin. Kapag positive daw, nasan daw ang opening ng parabola natin? To the right. So, ngayon guys, may idea na tayo na ang parabola natin opens to the right. So, ganito magiging itsura ng parabola natin. Okay? So, after nating malaman kung saan ang opening ng parabola, ano ang sunod na gagawin? So, ito, yung pinaka-4P natin dyan, siya yung constant, which is 16. Ayan, tignan nyo. Dito. Ayan, ito, oh. For P. Okay? Whatever be the constant na kasama ni X, siya si 4P. Ayan. Bakit? Kasi yun yung pinaka-importante para mahanap natin sila focus, sila vertex and end of Latus rectum, then directrix, no? So, anong kailangan natin hanapin dyan? Kailangan nyo mahanap si 2P at kailangan nyo ring mahanap si P. Paano natin gagawin yan? Napakasimple lang. So, coming from this equation, 4P is equal to 16. Paano tayo magkakaroon ng 2P? Just simply divided by 2. 2P is equal to 8. So, ang value ng 2P nyo is 8. Okay? So, next, paano natin makukuha si P? So, 4P is equal to 16. Paano natin makukuha si P? Divided by 4. So, P is equal to 4. Ayan, tapos na. Napakadali niyan. Tapos na kagad tayo, ano? Paano yon? Balik tayo dito sa definition natin. Ano ba yung mga hinahanap natin? The axis of symmetry is the x-axis. So, yon. Ibig sabihin, nasa x-axis siya. Yung pinaka-opening ng parabola natin. So, axis of symmetry is what? Axis of symmetry is x-axis. Okay? Then, sunod. Use P to find the coordinates of the focus. So, P and 0. Ano yung value ng P natin? O, focus daw. Focus. P and 0. Ano yung P natin? Or usually, focus that is represented as F. Pag nag-graph tayo. So, P and 0. That is 4 and 0. Yan yung pinaka-focus natin. Tapos, ang susunod daw sa atin is what? Equation of the directrix. X is equal to negative P. Dito tayo. Directrix is equal to X is equal to negative 4. Okay? Ano pa yung nawawala sa atin? End of Latus rectum. So, end of Latus rectum, that is plus 2P. P and plus 2P. Substitute daw natin siya. X is equal to original equation of the P. End of Latus rectum. Ano daw yung end of Latus rectum natin? Or usually that is represented as LR. End of Latus rectum is P positive, negative 2P. So, P positive and negative 2P. Ano yung P natin? P is 4. Then 2P, that is dalawa positive and negative, no? So, 4 and 8 kapag positive 2. Then the other one is 4 and negative 8. Okay? So, yan. Tapos na. Axis of symmetry, x-axis, focus. 4 and 0. Directrix is x is equal to negative 4. End of Latus rectum, or the LR, is 4 and 8 and 4 and negative 8. Let us try to graph. Paano natin i-graph yan? Simple lang. I-locate natin yung mga given. So, una muna is the vertex. Kasi ang vertex natin is nasa origin. So, dito siya. Vertex is 0, 0. Okay? Then, next is focus. Ang focus daw natin is 4 and 0. Nasaan si 4 and 0? This one. So, F is 4 and 0. Okay? Tapos, end of Latus rectum. 4 and 8. Nasaan si 4 and 8? 4 and 8 nandito. Ayan, si 4 and 8. Four and 8. Then the other one is 4 and negative 8. 4 and negative 8. Okay? Tapos na. So, medyo lakihan natin para makita mamaya pag nag-connect na tayo ng line. Or nag-construct na tayo ng parabola. Okay? So, yan. I-connect lang natin to. Ito rin. Tapos, extend lang natin yan. So, dapat balance yan, no? Then, i-connect natin to coming from the ends of Latus rectum. Use imaginary line. Usually, ganyan ang ginagawa nila. Gumagamit sila ng imaginary line, no? Ayan. Kung makikita nyo, ang axis of symmetry natin, nasan yung opening ng parabola natin? Ito. Nandito siya sa x-axis. Okay? Then, ang missing pa natin is what? Ang missing pa natin is directrix. X is equal to negative 4. Ito yun. So, gagawa lang tayo ng line sa negative 4 daw. Ayan. No? So, this is our directrix. Ano yung equation natin sa directrix? X is equal to negative 4. So, kompleto na. We have the vertex. Ayan, kasi nasa origin tayo. Then, end of Latus rectum, 4 and 8. Then, 4 and negative 8. Then, focus, that is 4 and 0. So, kung mapapansin nyo, ang total distance nung latus rectum natin is 16. Bakit naging 16? Kasi ito yun, no? 16x. Okay? So, ganun lang kadali. Huwag nating kalimutan. Okay? Next, number 2. X squared is equal to 8y. So, ano ba ang una nating gagawin? Kailangan alam natin kung nasa ng opening niya, no? So, paano nga ulit malalaman? Tignan natin kung alin yung naka-squared. Is it x or y? So, x ang naka-squared natin. Balik tayo. So, kapag x ang naka-squared, dalawang option lang natin. No? It's either upward or downward. Okay? Kasi nga, x yung naka-squared. Okay? Then, paano natin malalaman kung up or down siya? Dito. So, sabi kapag positive daw, up. Kapag negative, down. Alin ang titignan natin doon? Yung constant na kasama ni y. Ito. Is it positive or negative? Very good, positive. So, ang opening ng parabola natin is, kapag positive, that is upward. Upward. So, yan. Pag ganyan yung itsura ng parabola natin. Then, what is next? Kunin natin si 4p. 4p natin is equal to alin? Ayun, yung constant. That is 4p. Ano nga ulit ang mga kailangan natin? Kailangan natin si 2p and p. So, simple yan. Divided by 2. And then divided by 4. What is the value of 2p? That is 4. What is the value of p? That is 2. So, axis of symmetry natin. Ano ba yung axis of symmetry natin? Axis of symmetry is y-axis. Ayun. So, y-axis. Tapos yung focus natin, ang focus daw is what? Ang focus is 0 and p. Ito, focus daw is 0 and p. So, 0 and 2. Then, end of Latus rectum natin. Dalawa yan. Ano yung end of Latus rectum natin? 2p, positive, negative 2p, then p. Positive muna tayo. Positive 2p, that is 4. Then, p and 2. The other one is negative 2p, that is negative 4, then 2. Okay? So, ang kulang na lang natin is what? Directrix. Directrix. Sabi doon, directrix daw natin, y is equal to, ayan, y is equal to negative p. So, y is equal to negative 2. Kompleto na yung parts natin. Pwede na natin i-drawing si parabola. Una natin is the vertex. Nasa origin naman ang vertex natin. So, V is 0, 0. Then, susunod natin is the focus. 0 and 2. Nasaan si 0 and 2? This one. Ayan. Focus natin is 0 and 2. Okay? Then, end of Latus rectum, 4 and 2, then 4 and negative 2. 4 and 2. Ito. Latus rectum, 4 and 2. Then the other one is negative 4 and 2. Negative 4 and 2. So that is the other Latus rectum. We have negative 4 and 2. Ayan, tapos na yung parabola natin. I-connect lang natin. So, ito. Papunta dito. Then extend lang natin. Don't forget to connect the two latus rectum, no? Ayan. So, the last one, ang missing na lang natin is the directrix. Ano daw yung directrix natin? Y is equal to negative 2. Y is equal to negative 2. So, nandito yan. Gagawa lang tayo ng line dito, no? Sa negative 2. Y is equal to negative 2. So, here, sa negative 2 daw. Ayan. Ayan ang ating directrix. So, ganyan lang kadali mag-graph ng parabola. Okay? Next. Next, number 3. Y squared plus 12x is equal to 0. So, paano ang gagawin natin dyan? Kung alin yung naka-squared, siya yung nasa left side. So, ililipat natin si 12x. We will be having y squared is equal to negative 12x. Then, let us determine the opening of the parabola. How are we going to determine the opening of the parabola? Look at the variable which is squared. So, y squared. Y squared in the first equation here. So, we have left or right. How can we say if it is opening to the left or right? Look at the constant of the x, that is negative 12. So, if we have negative, it opens to the left. So, we have now idea that it opens to the left. So, this is an example of our parabola opening to the left. Then, next step, get the 4p. What is the value of 4p? The constant, that is negative 12. Get the 2p and p. What is the value of 2p? That is negative 6. What is the value of p? That is 3. So, yan. Tapos na. Okay? So, focus. Axis of symmetry muna tayo. Axis of symmetry. What is the axis of symmetry? That is x-axis. X-axis. Then focus, or the F. What will be the focus? Focus will be P and 0. What is the value of P? This is negative 3. So, we have negative 3 and 0. End of latus rectum, dalawa. So, ano yung mga end of latus rectum natin? P and positive negative 2P. P. So, positive 2P muna tayo. That is negative 6. Then, the other one is negative 3 and positive 6. Then, directrix. So, for our directrix, what will be the directrix? X is equal to negative P. X is equal to negative P. So, that is X is equal to 3. Kasi negative. So, negative times negative, it will become positive. So, let us try to graph. First one, vertex. Here. Ano yung opening natin? Opening natin is to the left. So, vertex natin is 0, 0. Then, we have the focus. Ang focus natin is negative 3 and 0. Nandito yun. So, focus is negative 3 and 0. Next, end of latus rectum natin. Negative 3 and negative 6. Negative 3 and negative 6 nandito. Negative 3 and negative 6. Then, the other latus rectum, negative 3 and 6. Negative 3 and 6 nandito. So, the other latus rectum is negative 3 and 6. Ayan na. Tapos na. Let us connect. So, pag kinonnect natin yan, ito, papunta dito. Then, extend lang natin. Okay? Then, connect the two latus rectum natin. Ayan. No? Then, the last one are directrix. Our directrix is x is equal to 3. Nandito daw yun. X is equal to 3. So, gagawa lang tayo ng line. X is equal to 3. Ayan. x is equal to 3. So that will be the graph of our parabola with equation y squared is equal to negative 12x. As easy as that, no? So wag lang natin kakalimutan kung paano, summarize nga ulit natin. First step is alamin kung saan ang opening, then kunin si 4p. From 4p, we are going to get the 2p and p, then the different parts. What are the different parts? Axis of symmetry, focus, to latus rectum, and the directrix. So, ganun lang kadali yan. So, ibang case naman kapag ang vertex natin is nasa H and K. Parang circle din lang, no? So, let's proceed. Test yourself. Let us see if you really learn from this video. Find the coordinates of focus, vertex, and end of latus rectum. Find the axis of symmetry and the equation of the directrix. Draw the parabola. Number 1, x squared plus 20y is equal to 0. Then the other one, number 2, y squared is equal to 8x. Comment down below your answer. Don't be shy. Next week or next week, I will be posting in the comment section the correct answer. Let us see if you got the correct answer. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep safe, everyone. Bye-bye.